Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to install WordPress in cPanel. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in docs.cpanel.net where I found a guide that explained everything about how to install WordPress with cPanel. Install WordPress from WP Toolkit. In cPanel and WHM version 92 and later, users can install WordPress through the WP Toolkit interface. cPanel, Tools, Domains, WP Toolkit. For information about how to install, configure, and manage WordPress sites with WP Toolkit, read Plesk's WP Toolkit documentation. Install WordPress manually. If your hosting provider does not offer WordPress, you can manually download WordPress from the WordPress website and install it on your site. For more information, read installation instruction from WordPress and their cPanel specific instructions and how to create a database for WordPress. Manual installations may encounter issues due to conflicting ACA access file, or database connection errors. Note, in the following examples, the following statements are true. Example.com represents the domain name. Example represents the account name. Subdomain represents a subdomain's directory. And addon.com represents an add-on domain name. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.